everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Bomb Grillin'z. Today we're doing an appetizer. We're doing poutine potato bites. Poutine. Yeah, you ever heard of that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Hey Siri, what is poutine?
Poutine is a Canadian dish originating from the province of Quebec. Initially made with French fries and cheese curds, topped with a brown gravy. Would you like to hear more?
You're awesome, Siri.
Was it something I said?
Yeah, basically. So there you have it. Siri really does know everything. So basically, poutine originated in Canada. Yep, oh Canada, way up there, you know. There's a lot of different stories on how it came to be, but I'm gonna let them kind of hash that out.
No one knows the precise origin, where or when this food did begin. Everybody in Quebec will tell you with a grin, it was their little village that invented the poutine.
What poutine is, you got your French fries, you got your cheese curds, and you got your gravy. Pour that all over that dish, and you've got something delicious. So what we're gonna do today though is a little bit different. We're gonna take a little different spin on what poutine is. We're gonna make it into just little bite-sized, scrumptious servings that you can just serve as an appetizer to family, friends, or a party, whatever you're doing. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need baby red potatoes, you're gonna need some bacon, chives, shallots, butter, flour, beef broth, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire, ketchup, and don't forget the cheese curds. Now those cheese curds were hard to find. I went to like 4 different stores. I even called some. I had my wife call them actually, and they had none. We're gonna put this together, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna boil our potatoes. So you're gonna stick all your potatoes into a pot, cover it about 2 to 3 inches. You're gonna turn it on to high, and once it starts boiling, you're gonna turn it down to low. You're gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. All right, once your potatoes are cooked, set them aside and let them cool. Now we're gonna start on our gravy. So get yourself a medium saucepan and heat some butter over medium heat. Once it's melted, add your flour and make a roux. Make sure you keep an eye on it, you don't want it to burn. But once you got them mixed together real nice, add your beef broth, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire, ketchup, and then a little bit of salt and pepper. Bring that to a boil, then turn it down to medium-low and let it simmer so that the gravy will thicken up. Once you have a nice thick consistency, your gravy is good to go. Once you have your gravy and your potatoes all cooked up, it's time to assemble these poutine potato bites. Let's do it. Woo! Okay, now that we got everything prepared, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little potatoes, they're nice and soft. Okay, and you're gonna take that, you're gonna get your knife, and what you wanna do is you wanna find the spot that it kinda just sits flat. Kinda find the bottom, okay? Once you do that, flip it over and cut the top off. Then you want to take your little melon baller, push that down, and scoop out a little tasty bit. At least that's what I'm going to call it. There you go, just like that. We'll set that over here and keep this because you might be able to use it later. Go ahead and do that to all your potatoes. Okay, so we got them all carved out. They look good, sitting on our little griddle there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit them with some salt, just a little bit. Give it a little extra added flavor there. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our cheese curds. Now I've got garlic cheddar. It actually says Vampire Slayer. Hopefully it's good. I haven't had this kind yet because I couldn't find any normal ones, like I said. All right. So what you're going to need to do is just kind of break it up because they're kind of big. Put that inside. Okay, now that our cheese curds are all filled into our little potato bites, we're gonna take our nice warm gravy. We're just gonna fill each little pocket. Oh yeah. Try to fill in every little crevice that you can. Ooh. Oh, it smells good. This gravy smells good. Okay, each one of those is filled up with some good gravy.
Good gravy.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them on the grill. I've heated the grill up to about 350 degrees. We're gonna set these inside for about 10 minutes. That's all you need. You just need to melt the cheese a little bit, kind of give them a little crisp, and then you're good to go. So let's put them on. That looks good. Now you can do this in your oven as well, so just turn it up to 350, throw them in, bake them until the cheese is good. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. That cheese is all melted up. We're gonna pull them off. Oh yeah. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of bacon bits. So that bacon that you grabbed, you wanna make sure you get that all prepped and ready to go too. So we'll put that on top. Ain't nothing like some bacon. Now that we've done that, we're gonna do our chives. Let's add that to the top too. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're gonna let them cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna dig into one. They are cooled off. Let's tear into one. Kind of cute looking. That's good. Lots of garlic flavor. I actually like the garlic. The garlic's really good. The gravy is excellent. Wow. That is really good little bite-sized piece of poutine. You know, you can serve this up to your friends and stuff, and you'll all get a little taste of it. Wow. That is a heavenly little piece of poutine. Wow. That's excellent. I do enjoy the authentic poutine dish too. That's really good, but this gives you the little flavor. If you're from Canada, let me know how this turned out, okay? I want to see your recipes. I want to see your input. Let me know how it went, what you guys think of it, what you would do, what you wouldn't do. I would appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will like, comment, subscribe. Please join me. I'm putting out videos every week, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Bomb Grillin'z out. Happy Grillin'z.